In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim a new Discord username step by step using Discord Web so you can update your name quickly and make sure you save it correctly. If you've been trying to change your Discord username and weren't sure where to click, this guide will make the process simple. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord in your web browser. You can go to Discord Web and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Discord, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the gear icon for user settings. This is where all of your account and profile options live, including your username. Now that you're in settings, make sure you stay on the My Account section. That's important because your username is managed from your account profile area, not from your server settings or chat settings. If you accidentally leave this page, just come back to My Account so you can continue with the correct menu. Next, look for the option that says Edit User Profile, or in some cases you may see Edit near your username. Click that option to open your profile editing screen. This is where Discord lets you adjust your display details, including the username field you need to claim your new name. Once the profile editor opens, click inside the username field. Now carefully type the username you want to claim. Make sure you spell it exactly the way you want it to appear, because usernames can be sensitive to availability and formatting. If the username is available, Discord will allow you to use it right away. If it's already taken, you'll need to try a different version, such as adding a number, a keyword, or another unique variation. After entering the username, Discord may ask you to confirm the change by entering your password. This is normal and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. If that prompt appears, just type your password carefully and continue. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. This is the final step that applies your new Discord username to your account. Once saved, your updated username should appear across Discord wherever your account name is shown. If you don't see the username updating right away, refresh the page or log out and back in to make sure the change has fully synced. And if the name you want isn't available, try a few alternate versions until you find one that works. So that's how to claim a new Discord username on Discord Web in just a few minutes. It's a really simple process once you know where to go, and now you can update your account with the name you actually want. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.